Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Lady Ree, and I am back with another video. Today we are doing an unboxing. I know you've seen it. I've seen a few videos of it. We're gonna unbox it and try it out. Makiage. Don't judge me, okay? But I've seen a couple reviews on YouTube. I've heard some good things, and then I've heard a few bad things, but not bad to the point. Like one lady said that it had some gray undertones, but once she got to the end of her video, she was like, oh, it's not gray anymore after she did a full face. I'm about to spray my face with some rose water. Yeah. Get it all prepped. They have a 14-day trial. I bought the primer and the foundation because I didn't want to not give the foundation a real chance. You know how people are like, oh, did you get the primer to go with it? So before we get started, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is you decide to watch this video, you're here and I appreciate you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your girl so you can be a part of the squad. Also, like, comment, and share, and hit that notification bell so you can get a ring-a-ding-ding. You know you want to. You've been here all this time, right? So yeah, pull my little hair back. All right, so back to this. Makiage. Makiage. Untraditional, uncompromising, unbelievably extra. This is cute. The packaging is really nice. And it's okay to get it right. There's steps. Over 75% of women get foundation wrong. That sucks. So I'm guessing this is the primer and this is the foundation. Okay. Let's check this out. Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. 2 pumps. Blend out with brush or sponge, not hand. Wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Do not match your neck or wrist. They are a different tone in your face. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. I don't think I need a full week to know if it's mine or not. Whether I use it or not, I could use it on clients that fix that tone. No filter, poreless base smoothing primer. All right, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, the packaging though. That's probably what you're paying for. Yeah, so the foundation was like $44. And I want to say this might have been 30-something dollars. It totaled to like 76. Well, right now I'm on that free trial where, you know, you just got to pay for shipping, but after 14 days.
No, not true.
Oh, this stuff thick. Oh, you know what? That feels like the that Maybelline primer. It's like a silicone base. Oh, we got action. Now that we got the primer on, I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Can't get it open. Put it on both sides, of course. I mean, at least I know nobody's like else has used it. It's sealed up. Whoa. So they have a little test that you answer a couple of questions, and that's how they figure out which shade is yours. This is kind of dope though, because you know you're supposed to keep your foundation and makeup out of the sunlight or out of light in general. So what number color did I get? I think I got the color 195 after taking the test. It's almost like it's a ring. Ooh. All right. Yeah, this is kind of tiny. I think it's glass. Okay. But yeah, after taking the test, they didn't assume. I'm gonna do 4. I know they said 2, but who only uses 2 pumps? Don't know. Let's see. It smells like paint. I think it's giving me a lot of yellow undertones when I clearly have red. They did say let it sit for 5 minutes, so let's get it on first. I think it's made me like a whole nother shade lighter. I'll do 2 more pumps because of the brush. Actually, let me put it on my face. Oops. Because it did say medium to full coverage, so let's play with it. Do I look like a ghost? So the time is 4:18. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. Guess while I give it 5 minutes, I'll do my eyebrows. I usually do my eyebrows first, but because, you know, I'm not going nowhere, I'm just trying out this makeup foundation, I wasn't gonna do my eyebrows, but I want to see what it looks like with my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do a quick little fill-in real quick. Not like how I always did them. Not today. I will say this. It doesn't feel like a whole bunch of foundation is on my face. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins.
What?
Let me use my pressed powder on top because that's what I would do with the other foundation. And let's see. See, I don't need the contour. You see that? I think it makes me look ashy. Let me turn down the light a little bit. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't do a full face. Maybe tomorrow. Sorry. I really need this deep tissue like massage, and it's getting in to where it like locks your neck up. Like, ooh. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I will be back in 7 days, probably not 7 days, 2 weeks to let you know how I feel about this officially, because I don't know. They said to give it, 5 minutes. It's not bad. It's real lightweight for the price. That's why my light turned all the way up, but compared to my hands, yeah, I burned myself when I was 8. Compared to my hands, Makiage. It's a dope name. It's different, unique. I like stuff like that. Or maybe I'll get a darker shade, like 190. I think I have 195. Like I said, this was matched to me by a test that I took online. Yeah, 195. And I usually wear like a 420, but they have over 50 shades. So, ooh, we'll see. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Probably see you next week, because I'm gonna do I think with this Fenty foundation stuff, Fenty stuff that I bought, I'm gonna do a New Year's Eve look. So yeah, this was it. I didn't set anything, so. Oh, it doesn't feel like anything's on my face. And I guess that's a good thing. Baby girl.